Testimony in Google. Co's antitrust search remedies trial that wrapped hearings Friday shows how the company is calculating possible changes proposed by the Department of Justice. Google head of search Liz Reed testified in court Tuesday that the company would need to divert between 1,000 and 2,000 employees, roughly 20% of Google's search organization, to carry out some of the proposed remedies, a source with knowledge of the proceedings confirmed. The testimony comes during the final days of the remedies trial, which will determine what penalties should be taken against Google after a judge last year ruled the company has held an illegal monopoly in its core market of internet search. The DOJ, which filed the original antitrust suit and proposed remedies, asked the judge to force Google to share its data used for generating search results, such as click data. It also asked for the company to remove the use of compelled syndication, which refers to the practice of making certain deals with companies to ensure its search engine remains the default choice in browsers and smartphones. Google pays Apple billions of dollars per year to be the default search engine on iPhones. It's lucrative for Apple, and a valuable way for Google to get more search volume and users. Apple's SVP of Services Eddie Q testified Wednesday that Apple chooses to feature Google because it's the best search engine. The DOJ also proposed the company divest its Chrome browser, but that was not included in Reed's initial calculation, the source confirmed. Reed on Tuesday said Google's proprietary Knowledge Graph database, which it uses to surface search results, contains more than 500 billion facts, according to the source, and that Google has invested more than $20 billion in engineering costs and content acquisition over more than a decade. People ask Google questions they wouldn't ask anyone else, she said, according to the source. Reed echoed Google's argument that sharing its data would create privacy risks, the source confirmed. Closing arguments for the search remedies trial will take place May 29th and 30th, followed by the judge's decision expected in August. The company faces a separate remedies trial for its advertising tech business, which is scheduled to begin September 22nd.